Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and government employees were eagerly waiting for Dearness Allowances hike. So after a long time the state government has increased Dearness Allowances, and today the government has increased 3% Dearness Allowances from 30 to 39, and this is effective from 1st of July 2023. So friends, after central government increased Dearness Allowances for their employees, the government employees of state government were eagerly waiting for an update in Dearness Allowances and hike in Dearness Allowances and Dearness relief. So the state government has today decided to increase Dearness Allowances and Dearness relief to their government employees and pensioners by 3%, and this update is coming from Meghalaya. So friends, the Meghalaya government has increased Dearness Allowances by 3%, and the existing 30% has increased to 39 from effective date of July of 2023. So friends, the remaining months area will be paid, and this is really a good update. The government employees of Meghalaya really seems to be very happy. So friends, if any further update comes from any states, I will get you know. Thank you.